Hey Lauren, okay, so here's just a refresher on how to get content in. So these are blog entries. So first of all, you got to put all your content into your blog, right? So I hope you understand that. And then once you get that, it's easy to link it because you can just steal your pictures. So you probably recognize all this stuff, right? These are different things from your blog. See, I click that, goes to kenfoster.com, and there's that actual link there. So how do we do that? How do we get that stuff? Go to home. All right, so how do we do that? So let me go to kendfoster.com and get one. So you log into the system and you go to the source page, and that's where you can input it. And you can always review what sources you have that's curated. So you look at curated. There you go. So all these things should show up. All right, but what we want to do is go into a source. I need to deploy the latest code for you. All right, so let's go to kendyfoster.com, right? www.kendyfoster.com. Okay, blog. All right, I might have put most of these things in already, man. Maybe I didn't do this one. So let's do this one. This is a nice one. Okay, so this is the does that work? Let me just take a look. I like having full names. So it's not as secure. Okay. All right. Well, that's cool. I can deal with that. All right. So so basically that's the link to the page up in your URL bar. And to create a new one, you just literally go like this. Boink, paste it in. Let's steal this image. Copy link address. See what I did? I went right click, copy link address. So I'm able to put that in there. I go back in here and I figure out the come up with the title, right? Little title action. Let's just say part 2. I might have done this one already. A snip. So basically, let's just take a little bit of this. Whoops, put it in here. Cool. What is this? Daily guidance, maybe? Daily guidance. We can add the curated tag automatically, and it's going to be a text type. Okay, so you always have to select this type. Very important. Text type. Chat's not enabled, and we can click a save. Right? So now let's go to review. There's the one that we just added, right? And then if I refresh the mobile app, we should see the latest one. So that's how simple it is. It's just a little slow because I'm running. Oh, the packager. Sorry, stand by. Ugly looking thing. Don't worry about that. Okay. Let me find out what's going on here, dude. Just have to rerun the app for some reason. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there it is. So see that second thing turned up? So a little long-winded because my local little version's kind of wigging out. I mean, that's basically all you have to do. And if I click that, it goes right into it. And these are text items, right? So I tagged them to the type that you want is daily guidance. So the daily guidance one, boom, put all that stuff in. Hope that helps. Let me go back into the edit of that. So if you look, again, here's our URL. Here is the title. Here's a little snip. And all I did was steal the content, literally copy and pasted it. And that's what makes the digest look so nice, is by having, stealing the image. This is all stuff regurgitated from your site, but it looks really good. We want to create discussions or community projects, things like that. We can do that. Ken's channels, YouTube videos. Cool. Okay. So you just put them all in, all the different blog posts. And we never did the feature that did one at a time, but you can put them all in and then you just curate them one at a time. So if you wanted to find all your, let's find all your daily guidance, search, and then basically you could see in your daily guidance who's got the curated tag or not. And in this case, they all do. So well, this one down here isn't, belief daily guidance. So if you wanted this one to turn up, you could just beliefs, you don't want that. You don't let beliefs come up. But anyway, the point is, curated tag makes them show up. So you could put them all in, and you want one to show up a day, you can just simply add the curated tag each day, and each one appears. If we want to automate that, we've got to talk with Ken and Chris to get me to jump into the code and actually make that change. But anyway, I hope that helps. So remember, your two friends are the review screen, source screen, and the review screen. Source screen, this is the review screen where you can find all your content. And then this is the one I just edited. And for the blog post on daily guidance, you want to get an image, you paste in the image, you want to tag it with daily guidance, curated, and make sure you select that it's a text type. Okay?